Okay, good morning dear students. Again today we are going to start a new topic of your grammar. Okay, this is chapter number 10 in your pencil book. The name of the chapter is, the topic is the conjunction. Okay, these are not chapters but these are topics, small topics. So topic number 10, conjunctions. Okay, open your page number 50 in your book. We have given chapter number 10 or topic number 10, the conjunction. Okay, these all things you have already learned in your previous class, 4th class, but what I am doing, I am revising you, or I am taking you to the next level of it. Okay, so conjunctions you know very well, but I am revising you, and we are going to solve some more exercises which are given in your book. So what is conjunction? Junctions means the words which connects two different words or two different sentences. Suppose two words, one is mango and one is apple. These two are fruits. Both of them are fruits, but I can write them apple and banana. Apple and banana, both are fruits, but I am connecting with the word and, because they both belongs to same category, fruit. Okay, so like that, if there are different groups, okay, and you have to choose out of these two. Suppose pencil or marker. I have two things, pencil and marker. I have two things. Okay, pencil and marker, both are used for writing. But if I give you the choice, choose out of these two. Either you can choose pencil or you can choose this marker. So what I am saying, choose one out of these two, pencil or marker. Now I am giving you choice. So at that time when you give the choice, out of this or out of this, you can select only one. At that time I use or, pencil or marker, ya to pencil ya to marker. So like that, there are some different places or situations where we use the different conjunctions. So conjunctions are basically the words which connects two words or two different sentences. Just like Ram is my friend. This is one sentence. Okay, Ram is my friend. Ram is my friend. And he is an honest boy. Now these are two different sentences. One sentence is Ram is my friend. That is one sentence. And he is an honest boy. This is a different sentence. Now we are connecting these two different sentences with the word and. Ram is my friend and he is an honest boy. So either we can connect two words by using conjunctions, or we can connect two different full sentences by using these small words. They are called conjunctions. Okay, so let's start. Let's begin with the book. What is given here on page number 50? Read the following sentences. She is a doctor and her younger sister is an advocate. Now the conjunction is used here, and. And is a word which connects two different sentences. Okay, she is a doctor, that is one sentence, and her younger sister, uski choti bahan, is an advocate. Advocate means lawyer. Okay, who fights the cases, who runs the cases in the court. If you have seen, they wear the black coat. Okay, or so advocate means lawyer. Second, he worked hard. He worked हार्ड, उसने बहुत कड़ी मेहनत की, बट could not stand first in the examination. But he couldn't stand first. He couldn't acquire first position in the examination. So but shows the controversy, opposite meanings. He studied very hard, he worked very hard, but the result was not in his favor. The result was opposite. So at that time we use but. He cannot read or write. Read or write. Or shows the options. Read or write. He cannot read or write. पढ़ या लिख नहीं सकता. Okay? पढ़ या लिख नहीं सकता. I read the books because they interest me. Because is a conjunction which shows the reason for it. I read books. What is the reason? Why do I read books? Because they interest me. They make me interested. Okay, or I am interested in that in the books. That's why. Okay, so two different sentences can be made by using conjunctions. She will pass, but the condition is if shows the condition. Okay, she will pass, that is a result in future, but when will it happen come true? If this condition fulfills. What is the condition? If she works hard. अगर वो बहुत कड़ी मेहनत करेगी तो she will pass, वो पास हो जाएगी. If shows the condition. Okay, so and is used for joining the same concept, same ideas, same categories. But is used for different ideas, for joining different. One is opposite and second is opposite in idea or meaning. At that time we use but. Or is used when we have to choose from out of two options, either this or this. Because is used to show the reason. Why is first sentence said? The reason is that. So that's why we use because. And if is used to join the two sentences. One is condition, the second one is condition. If this happens, then it will happen. So these are the different conjunctions used at different places. In these sentences, and, but, or, because, and if are conjunctions. A conjunction is a word which joins words or sentences together. Conjunction is a word which joins two words or two sentences with each other. Okay, so that is the definition. Conjunction is a word which joins two words or two different sentences. Okay, that is clear. Now, use of conjunctions. Where and how do we use these conjunctions? What are the situations where we use this type of conjunctions? So, first use, we can use and. Okay, we can use and to join words and sentences that belong to a particular class. Particular class means same class, to a same particular class. Just like both are fruits, just like both are writing instruments, marker and pencils. Okay, both are boys, both are girls. So when they belong to a same category or same idea, same concept, when two sentences are expressing the same idea, or the both sentences are telling about the same person, so at that time we use and. Okay, just like, can he write and speak English? Can he write and speak English? Means write and speak and read, these are the words which are already associated with the same class. Any language, English, Hindi. So at that time, reading, speaking, writing, okay, these are already belongs to same category. So at that time, we can use and. Can he write and speak English? Means I want to ask that whether he can perform both the tasks in the language, writing as well as reading. So I am asking, can he write and speak in English? So that's why and is used here. Okay. Sumit is honest. Sumit is honest and hardworking. Sumit is honest and hardworking. Honest and hardworking. So honest is one quality, hardworking is one quality, and both are good qualities. They belongs to same category. Okay. So if honest is also good quality and hardworking is also good quality, and both qualities are used for the same person, Sumit. So we can use here and. Okay. If they are opposite in nature, means if I want to say one quality good and one quality bad, just like Sumit is honest but lazy. One is good quality. Sumit is honest. This is a good quality. And contrary to it or opposite to it, but he is lazy. So if the both qualities belongs to different class or opposite to each other, one is good quality, one is bad quality, at that time I use but. But if they both belong to same category, means both are good quality or both are bad quality, so at that time I use and. Okay. So for same things and same ideas we use and for opposite ideas or opposite results we use but. Arvind played tennis. Arvind played tennis and Rahul played football. Okay. So both are playing something, but they are using different sports. So Arvind played tennis and Rahul played football. Okay. So when we want to say the thing in a same manner, that both are playing. Okay. But if here you can also use but. How? The sentence may be Arvind played tennis but Rahul played football, because they are playing different games. So if you are focusing on the different games, so at that time you can use but if you are focusing on the playing only, so both are doing the same thing, playing, so at that time you can use and. So both sentences are correct. Sushma is a teacher and her elder sister, se badi behan, her elder sister is a writer. She writes books, stories, poems, okay, plays. Sushma is a teacher and her elder sister is a writer, means both are doing something, both are working. And if you wanted to make it contrary to each other, means we want to show the difference of their profession. If we want to show the different profession, one is teacher and other is writer, so at that time we can use but also. That will also be correct. Just like Sushma is a teacher but her elder sister is a writer, because they are in different profession. So both are correct. Okay. It depends on the condition or situation where we speak these words. Okay. Ramesh likes tea and his sister likes coffee, but both are liking something. So we are showing the likeness in both of them. But if we want to show the opposite nature of both or opposite likeness of both, at that time when we can use but also. Just like Ramesh likes tea but his sister likes coffee. Okay, so both are correct. Now second use, we use but to join words or sentences that have opposite ideas. and is used for same ideas, and these are used for, but is used for opposite ideas, है ना, for opposite, those who are contrary to each other, opposite to each other. Just like we played well, हमने बहुत अच्छा खेला, but we lost the match, but the result is different. Means if we played well, we must have won the match, but the result is opposite, we lost the match. So at that time, when the action is something else and the result is opposite, at that time we use but. Sumita walked fast, but she missed the bus. Sumita walked fast, the action is good, she was walking fast, but the result is not same. Okay, result was not suitable because she still missed the bus. So his sister will not be there, his sister will not be there in the meeting or in the party, but his brother might means हो सकता है, his brother might be there. Okay, so his sister will not be there, but his brother might be there, means one of them will be present there, one will be absent and one will be present, opposite. I rang the bell either on the phone or either on the doorbell. Okay, I rang the bell, but no one answered, but the result was not expected. I expected that you should receive my call, but no one answered me, so the result was not as expected by me, the result was opposite. I called out to them, I called out to them, but they did not hear me, but they could not hear me or did not hear me, the result was opposite. So but is used here. We use or, third use. Okay, we use or for what? We use or to join words or sentences when we want to make a choice. We want to make a choice out of two options. Means if we have given options. Okay, if we have given two options, true or false. So when we want to make a choice out of these 2, 3 or 5. So at that time we use or. Just like walk fast, जल्दी जल्दी चलो, or you will miss the bus. नहीं तो क्या होगा? Walk fast, जल्दी चलो, या फिर बस मिस हो जाएगी, या आप बस मिस कर दोगे. Okay, there are two options. Either you can walk fast or you will miss the bus. So out of these two options you need to choose one option. They must apologize. Apologize means feel sorry, regret, pachhtana. Okay, feel sorry, that is called apologize. So they must apologize. उनको अपनी गलती मानकर पछताना ही चाहिए, और नहीं तो क्या होगा? Or they will be punished, or they will be punished. Means they must say sorry to sir or ma'am, otherwise they will be punished. So there may be two options. Either they apologize or they will be punished. Okay. Is your sister older or younger than you? Is your sister older? Older means बड़ी है. Elder, older, or younger than you. So you have to make one choice out of these two. Either younger or older. Is it a boy or girl? Again we have been given two options. Whether is it a boy or a girl? Do they live in a small house or a big house? Can you see in the picture? There are two options. either they live in small house or in big house. So there are two options. So whenever we choose out of the options, at that time we use or conjunctions. Now correlative conjunctions. Correlative, relative means which are related to each other, okay, which comes in pair, दोनों जोड़े से आते हैं, okay. Just like some conjunctions are usually used in pairs, okay, जोड़े के साथ आते हैं, ये आएगा तो ये भी आएगा ही आएगा, okay. They are called correlative conjunctions because they are correlated with each other. ये और ये दोनों वर्ड आपस में एक दूसरे से रिलेटेड है, रिलेटिव है, तो आएंगे तो दोनों ही साथ में आएंगे, ओके. सो यूज होंगे सेंटेंस में तो दोनों ही साथ में यूज होंगे. सो दीज बोथ वर्ड्स विल बी यूज्ड simultaneously in each sentence. If one will come, then other will also come. So these words come in the pair, जोड़े से आते हैं. So these are called correlative conjunctions. So what are the example? Just like first example, both dash 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 and. This is the first conjunction, correlative conjunction. Okay, that previous one they were simple conjunctions, but these are correlative conjunctions. Just like both dash 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 means here some words of the sentence will come. Then after that word again and will also come. Means they both will come, but at a particular distance. Some words of the sentence will fit here, okay. So both and, this is the one pair which comes in pair, means both words will be used in the same sentence. Just like we both like and respect them. We both like and respect them. Like means हम उसको पसंद भी करते हैं और रिस्पेक्ट भी करते हैं, आदर भी करते हैं, उनका सम्मान भी करते हैं. हम उनको पसंद भी करते हैं और आदर भी करते हैं. बोथ, दोनों चीजें करते हैं, पसंद भी करते हैं और आदर भी करते हैं. सो बोथ एंड दे विल कम टुगेदर. वी बोथ लाइक एंड रिस्पेक्ट देम. हम उनको पसंद भी करते हैं और हम उनको रिस्पेक्ट भी करते हैं. So like that you can imagine some new sentences by using this both and, both dot 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 and. Just like I can both write and speak English. I can both write and speak English means मैं लिख भी सकता हूँ और मैं बोल भी सकता हूँ इंग्लिश, okay. Like that you can make so many sentences. Either or, that is very very useful for you, and that is maximum in your chapters and maximum while you are speaking. We generally use this either or. Either dot 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 or, okay. When we have to choose out of two options, या तो ये या तो ये, at that time we many time we use this correlative conjunction, either or, okay. Just like you can write with either pencil or marker. Either pencil or marker means you have to choose either pencil or marker, like that. So I am going to buy. Going to buy means purchase from market. I am going to purchase. Going to means मैं करने वाला हूं, मैं ऐसा करने वाला हूं. Going मतलब जाना नहीं होता यहाँ पर. Going means ऐसा मैं करने वाला हूं. जैसे I am going to speak, okay, मैं बोलने वाला हूं. I am going to run, मैं दौड़ने वाला हूं, okay. So I am going to write a letter to you, मैं आपको एक लेटर लिखने वाला हूं. सो वट एवर आई एम गोइंग टू डू. गोइंग टू से हम क्या बताते हैं, जो हम करने जा रहे हैं, हम जो करने जा रहे हैं. गोइंग का मतलब यहाँ जाना नहीं होता. गोइंग का मतलब हम ये करने वाले हैं, ओके. सो आई एम गोइंग टू बाय, मैं कुछ खरीदने वाला हूं, ओके. आइदर अ कैमरा, आइदर अ कैमरा, या तो एक कैमरा, or a CD player with this money. Either camera या तो कैमरा और CD player या फिर CD player with this money, whatever money I have in my pocket. So that is how I have to make a choice between these two, whether a camera or a CD player. Now one more thing, correlative conjunction, which is mostly used in our day-to-day life. Neither nor is neither nor. N is added only. Okay, what is added? N here and N here, but the meaning is different. Again we have two choice, but out of these both two choice we don't have to choose this one or this one. Means हमको दोनों में से दोनों ही नहीं चाहिए at that time. ना तो ये चाहिए ना तो ये चाहिए, दोनों ही नहीं चाहिए. At that time we use neither nor. How it is used? Their house is neither big nor small. Their house is neither big nor small. उनका घर ना तो बहुत बड़ा है और ना ही बहुत छोटा है. मीन्स मीडियम है. ओके, ना बहुत बड़ा ना बहुत छोटा, मीडियम है. ओके, सो एट दैट टाइम वी यूज neither nor. Just like I don't use or I cannot use neither pencil nor marker in the notebook. ना तो मैं पेंसिल यूज कर सकता हूं और ना ही मार्कर यूज कर सकता हूं. I use pen. So that means out of these two given options both are not accepted. At that time we use neither nor. ना तो ये ना तो ये. Okay, not only but also. Yes, this is also a good conjunction. Not only dash but also. Not only but also means सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं, ये भी है. That is the meaning. Not only but also means suppose if anybody asks you, do you know English? क्या आपको इंग्लिश आती है? So what can you say? I can not only write but also speak English. मैं सिर्फ लिख ही नहीं सकता, मैं तो बोल भी सकता हूं. Do you know how to write English? So you can answer that. I can not only write but also speak and read. मुझे सिर्फ लिखते ही नहीं, साथ साथ मुझे बोलते भी आता है, पढ़ते भी आता है. So that is how you explore your quality. So just like she not only wrote the text, she not only wrote the text, उसने सिर्फ टेक्स्ट या वर्ड्स लिखे ही नहीं, but also selected the illustrations. उसने सिर्फ टेक्स्ट ही नहीं लिखा, पैराग्राफ ही नहीं लिखा, साथ में उसने इल्यूस्ट्रेशन भी सिलेक्ट करके रखे थे. इल्यूस्ट्रेशन मीन्स एग्जाम्पल्स. शी ऑल्सो सिलेक्टेड एग्जाम्पल्स फ्रॉम द नेट और फ्रॉम एनी अदर बुक. तो सिर्फ उसने लिखा ही नहीं, साथ ही साथ उसने क्या क्या करा, और ज्यादा क्या किया, उसने कुछ इल्यूस्ट्रेशन भी सिलेक्ट करके रखे हैं. वेदर और, अगेन वी हैव टू मेक द ऑप्शंस. Whether or, again just like either or, whether or. He seemed undecided. He seemed means वो दिखाई दे रहा था, वैसा ऐसा लग रहा था. He seemed, वो ऐसा दिख रहा था. Undecided means confused. He seemed undecided. He seemed confused. Whether to leave or stay means he was so much confused that he cannot decide that whether to leave or to stay. यहां से चला जाए या यहीं पे रुके, वो डिसाइड ही नहीं कर पा रहा है. ओके, सो ही seemed undecided whether to leave or stay. यहां से निकल जाए या फिर यहीं पे रुके. Okay, so when you have to make again two choices, one choice out of two choices, at that time you also use whether or. Okay, so study the following sentences containing additional examples of conjunctions. Okay, some more examples are given in 10 sentences, so let's recall them, read them. These students will pass. These students will pass, but the condition is given. What is the condition? If. So if is a conjunction which is used to show conditions. Okay, so first conjunction is if, which shows condition that these students will pass. ये स्टूडेंट पास हो जाएंगे इफ, यदि, अगर, दे वर्क हार्ड, इफ दे वर्क हार्ड, अगर उन्होंने कड़ी मेहनत की तो, सो दैट इज अ कंडीशन, एक शर्त है, इफ दे वर्क हार्ड. द लगेज वॉज हैवी. लगेज, व्हेन यू ट्रेवल थ्रू एनी train or by bus or by car, you have some bag, that is called luggage. Okay, so the luggage was heavy, therefore we could not lift it. Therefore, इसलिए, therefore we could not lift it, हम उसको उठा ही नहीं पाए. lift means उठाना. therefore, इसलिए. Okay, therefore means इसलिए हम उसको उठा नहीं पाए. We are saying the reason, we are telling the reason कि हम क्यों नहीं उठा पाए. because the luggage was heavy, therefore we could not lift it. इसलिए हम उसको उठा ही नहीं पाए. We missed the bus. Sometimes we wanted to catch the bus, we arrived the station but the bus is left the station. So at that time we missed the bus, although we ran very fast. Although we ran very fast. Although. In Hindi we say it यद्यपि. यद्यपि, वैसे तो, या हमने तो. Although, यद्यपि, we ran very fast, हम बहुत तेज दौड़े थे. वैसे तो हम बहुत तेज दौड़े थे, but we missed the train. Opposite in nature. Okay, opposite result what we had expected. तो वैसे तो हम बहुत दौड़े थे पर we missed the bus. So we missed the bus although we ran very fast. So this is contrary in the nature. When I was younger, I used to read comics. Okay, when I was younger, जब मैं छोटा था, बच्चा था. I was younger, जब मैं छोटा था. I used to read comics. At that time I used to is used for your habits, आदत के बताने के लिए कि मैं उस समय क्या आदत थी मेरी, मैं क्या किया करता था. I used to read comics, मुझे कॉमिक्स पढ़ने की आदत थी, या मैं पढ़ा करता था, मैं कॉमिक्स पढ़ा करता था. You know what is comics? Picture stories where pictures and dialogues are written, okay, on one page. So when I was young, so when is also used for, now generally when is used for question, कब, but when it is used as a conjunction, so we use like जब मैं छोटा बच्चा था. Okay, jab. When it is used as a conjunction, but when it is used as a question word in the questions, so at that time the meaning is kab. When, kab. But this is not a question. When is used to connect two sentences. One more thing, conjunctions can be at the beginning of the sentence or can be at the middle of the sentence. Both are correct. Like that, like in this, when I was younger. So both sentences are correct. When I was younger, जब मैं छोटा बच्चा था. I used to means किया करता था. I used to read comics. Okay, this is how the conjunction can be used. These are the two sentences, one sentence and this is the second sentences. Both are connected with when. So it is not compulsory that when should come in the middle of the sentence to connect these two sentences. Means this is the one way to write this sentence. The second way of writing this sentence, the same sentence, I used to read comics. Okay, now conjunction when. When I was younger. When I was younger. So again these two sentences are given here, but they are added by using the conjunction when. I used to read comics. मुझे कॉमिक्स पढ़ने की आदत थी या मैं कॉमिक्स पढ़ा करता था. When I was younger. जब. When. जब I was younger. मैं जब छोटा बच्चा था. जब. Not कब. So these are the two different way of writing sentences. So when the conjunction can be at the middle of the sentences or it can be at the beginning of the sentences, and then we need to apply comma here to separate these two sentences, but they are connected with when. Both are correct. Okay, we heard that. हमने ये सुना है कि for कि we use that. हमने सुना है कि, we heard that, या हमने सुना था कि. So that is also used as a conjunction. That. Okay, if, यदि, अगर, therefore, इसलिए, that, कि, है ना. We heard that. हमने तो सुना था कि. क्या सुना था? We heard that your elder sister is in Chennai. हमने तो सुना था कि आपकी बड़ी बहन चेन्नई में है. कि. Okay. So that is for your memory. I am writing here in Hindi. Okay. Sixth conjunction. We did not complete the task. We did not complete the task. हमने task complete नहीं किया. Because you did not order us to. You did not order us to. क्योंकि आपने हमको order ही नहीं दिया था. So we did not complete the task. So because is used to show the reason, कारण बताने के लिए. Because, क्योंकि. Because we generally use this in our answers when any question is asked in after the chapter. So we use because, क्योंकि. We show reasons. 7. They finished first. They finished first. उन्होंने पहले खत्म कर लिया. They finished first. Though they began late. Though, यद्यपि, again, though and although, they meaning in same. These two are used for the same things. Though, although, the difference is only al. Though or although, they are used likewise in the same condition. So they finished first, though they began late. वैसे तो उन्होंने, यद्यपि, वैसे तो उन्होंने लेट शुरू किया था, लेकिन फिर भी उन्होंने पहले खत्म कर दिया काम. So that is though or although. These both can be used here. Will you wait? Will you wait? क्या आप इंतजार करोगे? Till we return. जब तक हम वापस आते हैं तब तक. So till is used for showing time. It is used as a conjunction. जब तक, till जब तक, we return जब तक हम वापस आते हैं, क्या तुम तब तक वेट करोगे? Do not go, मत जाना, do not go before they come. Before again, पहले, के पहले, before they come. Do not go, आप मत जाना, before they come, उनके आने से पहले आप मत जाना. ओके. They are rich, वो बहुत अमीर हैं. Yet unhappy, लेकिन फिर भी, unhappy, दुखी हैं. They are rich yet unhappy, वो अमीर तो बहुत है फिर भी दुखी हैं. Okay, so like that, these are some conjunctions which you need to learn. Okay, so these conjunction you should learn. Now the exercise I will solve and I will send you in the group. So first it is better you try it by yourself, then I will surely send you the correct answers and we'll move towards the new topics. Okay, so this is all about this lecture. Conjunctions are over. If you still have any doubt or confusion, you can call me or you can message me through WhatsApp, and you need to note down all this exercise with pencil in the book, but you need to note down all these exercise in your CW notebook with pen as well. Okay, so till then, take care, bye.